Hey there, I'm going to show you how I found some really pretty frames. I think I got these at Ross the other day, and turned them into framed original artwork. And this is the little painting that I did for this frame, and I'm going to show you how I did that using canvas. So this is just a piece of loose canvas, and it came in this little, I only have one piece left, this little notebook or tablet, and there were 4 sheets in here, and these are actually about a 5x7, yeah, because this is a 5x7 little canvas board, and that is what I thought I was going to use in here, but it turns out that this is a 6x4 so I have to trim it down. You can't really cut down a board. So what I did was I took out my canvas, and I took out the little piece of paper that was behind the glass, and then I just put it down on top of the piece of canvas and trimmed off the excess pieces. And that gave me this little piece of canvas that's just perfect to go in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the backing, and you can do this with or without the glass, but I'm going to take the backing and I'm going to put the canvas down on it, and I'm going to use some double-sided tape. I can get it going here. And I'm just going to put that in each corner. It's kind of tricky because it's sticky on both sides. So since this painting is acrylic and it's on canvas, I don't have to protect it with a piece of glass unless I just want to. And sometimes that's not a good idea, because if the glass is pressed against the canvas and the paint, sometimes your paint can stick to it. So I'm not going to add the glass, and I'm just going to press that down. So now it's all stuck. And turn over my frame here. I can get it down in there. These little things are hard to turn sometimes. Okay. And then just twist them back around. And look how pretty that is. So I'm going to do another one. I haven't done a painting for it yet. Let's move this over. And this one is square, so I'm going to have to cut another piece of canvas for it. And I'm just going to use the little insert. Take out this piece of glass. Be careful with it. I'm just going to tear this out. It's my last piece. And this one is 4x4, so I'm going to use this edge because the other one is raveled just a little bit. And I'm just going to hold it and cut it just like this. And you can find these little canvas papers in any craft store. Alright, so that should fit right in here. So now I've just got to paint that one. And I'll have 2 little frames with original canvas art. And this works for any frames. If you're going to use the little canvases like this, you can find cute frames at thrift stores. You can find them in, you know, like Home Goods or outlet stores like Ross, and create your own pretty little artwork that you can decorate your home with. So I hope this was something that was a helpful tip that will give you some ideas to find some pretty frames and decorate your own home, or make them as gifts for others. Or if you are a selling artist, this is a good way for you to put together some little small things and some pretty collections to sell to your customers. And I will see you back here next week. Bye.